You can earn over $2,000 per month if you can create 6 money-making websites in just 6 clicks with AI with free domain and free hosting. And lifetime no recurring costing. From today, you don't need any technical knowledge or design and development skills. With this single AI, you will able to create a WebTool website to sell digital tools. A travel affiliate website packed with hotels, flights, and rental offers. A ClickBank review website loaded with top converting affiliate offers. An ebook store stocked with thousands of popular titles. An AI prompt store ready to sell prompts from top AI platforms. A digital product store to sell ebooks, software, courses, and more. All of this is managed by AI with 0 monthly fees. And the best part, it takes 60 seconds to set up. So imagine creating not just 1, but 6 money-making websites in minutes, and all from single dashboard. You will find the links in description. Launch these sites in 1 click to make thousands of dollars every month in ad revenue, affiliate sales, product sales, ebook sales, and subscriptions completely hands-free. Access trainings to master freelancing, affiliate marketing, course creation, sticker business, and more. Unlock 6 powerful revenue streams from 1 platform with no recurring fees. Only $9 for a lifetime. I will give a coupon at the end of this video. After purchase, you will get credential to log into this dashboard. Let's log in straightly. You will find this dashboard with 6 incredible business idea PDF for free. If you read them, you will get few incredible ideas to start new online business. Click on Product Access button from left menu. You will find 6 website login option. Number 1, AI-powered web tool builder. Number 2, travel affiliate site creator. Number 3, ClickBank review site generator. Number 4, ebook store AI. Number 5, AI prompt store. Number 6, AI digital product store. Let's create our first website, AI-powered web tool builder. Click on Web Tool Login button. Login with same ID and password. It is the dashboard for AI-powered web tool builder. Every feature and functionality that we'll need has been integrated on left menu section. To create first site, click on Build a new site button. Now give your website name. I write text review and click Submit button. Our website is ready and live. Let's check our web tool-based website. Here is our website with different tools that are ready to use. You can now send traffic to your website and start make money from right now. This site have site management tools, content tools, binary tools, unit converter tools, online calculator tools, image editing tools, PDF tools. Total 80+ ready-to-use tools are automatically added by 1 click. Users will able to use any or and every tool that they want. Let's try one tool if it is works or not. If you have any questions, you can ask me on comment section. I will answer all comments one by one. Yes, tested tool is working properly. Website's front end is working properly. Let's check some back-end features. On left menu section, it consists with Dashboard, Manage Websites, Website Setting, Manage Pages, Affiliate Setting, Blog Campaign, Manage Articles, Ads Manager, Other Product, AI Chatbot, Subscriber List, Change Password, Training, Bonus. You will able to set your affiliate links from affiliate section, able to manage blog and articles with chat integration. You will able to add Google AdSense or and any third-party advertisement. Let's get back to our main dashboard to make our next website. Now we will create a travel affiliate website. Click on Travel Site Login button and then log in with same ID and password. In Dashboard, click on Build a new site button. And then add your desired website name and then click on Submit button. Our travel website is ready. Let's check. This is the home page. Is not it incredible? Visitors can find next place to visit, will able to find popular destinations, will able to find top recommended hotels and find flight for travel places. Let's find a destination. I am going to select Sydney. Here are travel places of Sydney. Say, I visit Madame Tussauds Sydney. Now visitor can check availability of hotels of Madame Tussauds Sydney. And even book from this website, and you will get auto commission by your affiliate. You can also customize other things as your requirement from this back end. Let's create ClickBank review website in one click. Click on CB review button and log in with same ID and password. Click on build a new site button, then find your website name and click on submit button and your website is ready. Let's see our ClickBank review website. Here is the website homepage with preloaded ClickBank products. Let's check one products. This is product detail page. When someone click here for more button and purchase that product, you will get commission. You will able add your ClickBank and other related affiliate ID from backend. So that every time someone visit and purchase through your link, you will get commission. Let's create next website of ebook store. Click on EB Store AI login and then input your user ID and password to log into dashboard. Then click online ebook store from left menu and click on add store. And add store button on right side, then add your website name and submit. And your ebook store is ready. Let's check. Thousands of pre-built ebooks are automatically integrate to your website to sell to customers. Customers will able to check book details and then able to add any product to cart and finally place order and pay through online. Let's make next website. AI prompt store. Click on AI prompt login button from main admin dashboard. And use same ID and password again. Then in dashboard from left menu, click on prompt store section, then add store and then add store button at right top side. Then input your website name and submit will create your AI prompt website. Let's see. It's truly incredible. You don't need to do anything. Just create your AI prompt store and start selling to your audience and make money online. Your website visitor will able to buy from 190 plus ready AI products. And you will able to earn money right way. Users will able to see detailed product page and add their required products to cart, then one-time registration and pay and get that products. If you have any confusion anywhere you can ask me on comment section. I will answer all questions one by one. Everything you will need is already integrated to backend dashboard. So you don't need to worry about. Let's make digital products selling store in one click. At AI Digital Product Store section, click on AI Digital Product Login button. Then log in with your same ID and password. Then click on AI Product button, at AI Product, then AI Product button at right side, then input website name and click Submit will immediately create your digital store with 300 plus ready to sell digital product store. Let's check our digital store website. It's truly incredible. Thanks to AI. Now customers can choose from this products and add their required products and the place order and pay online and get that product immediately and you will get paid. In this way, you can create unlimited 6 types of websites without taking any hassle. This way AI builds 6 stunning websites, web tool site, travel affiliate site, ClickBank review site, ebook store, AI prompt site, and digital product stores, all from one dashboard, for life with 0 monthly fees. If you have any questions you can ask me on comment section, I will reply all comment one by one. And if this video helps, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.